Welcome to our channel Networking by Nand Kishore, guys. In the last class we have started the variable and data type. So till now we have discussed numbers and data type, guys. In number data type we have details, the boolean, how to use boolean and all in number data types, guys. Today I will going to start with string. So what is string? Today we will be discuss something regarding the string, something regarding the index value used in the string, or what is some basic function which are used which are using in the string. So we will discuss today. So first thing, we are going to start what you mean by string. So if you are writing anything in single colon or double colon, that is a string. So just if in this basic example, x is a variable and HELLO is under the single colon, guys. So HELLO is hello is a string. Same thing, y is a variable, guys, and in this y we have stored NETWORKS with a double colon, guys. So what is NETWORKS? Networks is a string. Okay. So let me take the example in IDLD, guys. IDLD. So just give me 1 second, just opening the IDLD. Okay. So this my first string was hello, 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 guys. And my second string which I have donated into the one thing. In this example we have written in either in single colon or double colon. So keep one thing in your in mind, guys. A string can denoted either into single colon, double colon and triple colon also. So we have not discussed in this video regarding the triple colon, guys. We will discuss only single colon and double colon. So my first, I have just taken x is equal to a string within a double colon. Now I am going to take another example with single colon NETWORKS networks. Just close with the single colon, and we have just Z. I'm just taking an input function. It's in build function, guys. Okay. So let me print this. I am here just for testing x comma y comma z, guys. Okay. So what will be the value? Just look here. It will be I am here just for testing hello networks. Okay. So this is basic about the string. So now I'm just giving how the second thing in a string is index number. So what is index number? Index number is basically used to tell the position of any variables. Either variable is list, or the variable is string, or variable is dictionary, anything. So what is basic use of index number is, guys? Index number is used to tell the position of a particular values. Okay. So just one thing more, index number is always denoted into big bracket. Index number is always denoted into big bracket, guys. Okay. So let's suppose that we have a index number name is equal to NETWORKING networking, guys. Okay. So what what I want to just print what is my length of this variable, length of this name is 10. Okay, so this networking is 10 length, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now how to use index number. Suppose that I just want to be, now what is my which value is in fifth position of this name, guys. So which value is in fifth position is R. So always I have just forget one thing, always keep one thing in your mind. Index number is always started from 0 and will be anything. So this n is 0th position of the index. Its E is the first position of index, is the second position, is the third position, is fourth, is the fifth position. So what I want fifth position. So 0 1, n means 0 E 1 2 3 4 5. So R is my fifth position. Okay, let's suppose that I just want some range name. Okay, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 6, 2 to 7, 2 to 7. Okay, it's TWR case. Okay, so if you want some range, then you can using colon, guys. So lower value will be first and the higher will be second. So between the lower and higher value, all value will be print by using this colon, guys. Okay, now the third thing is this. Suppose that I just want to be print name in the last value. Suppose sorry, let me explain in another way. So index number you can also find the value by using index number from last to first or first to last. So if you are using index number from first to last, is known as forwarding index. If you are using index value from last to first, is known as backward index. So this length 5 is the forward index, because I am here to start with the first to last. But suppose that I just want to take example name. Okay, -2, guys. What will be the value? It's n. So in this case we have started counting from last to first. It's 1, it's 2, it's n. So always keep one thing in your mind, guys. There is nothing -0 value exists in the number system. So if you are using backward index, so always start from -1. If you are using forward index, because 0 is existing in the number system, so always in forward index starting value will be 0, starting position will be 0. The exact word is position. Starting position will be 0. But if you are talking about the backward index, guys, always start from -1. So in this case I have just written -2, means I am going to start from last to first. So it's my first -1 position is Z and -2 position is N. So what is my second position is N. Okay, so this is totally about the string, guys. Let me give some more additional concept also. And let's suppose that I just want to be print this index into uppercase letter. So just right here upper. Okay, name upper, so all the value will be in uppercase letter. Suppose that I just want to print this value into lowercase letter, so LOW, lower, all value will in the lower case letter. So this is totally about the string, guys. In next video we will start with the list data type, dictionary data type, and just one data type. So if I am going to start with the data type, guys, till now we have discussed till list, so we have 5 more data type we need to discuss. So in the next video we will start with the list, and till tuple we will finish in the next video. Maybe the video will be either 15 to 20 or 25 minutes, because I can finish in a single video all data types, but some student have some issues. सर मुझे 10 मिनट का वीडियो बना के दो, मुझे 5 मिनट का वीडियो बना के दो. So that's why कि छोटा वीडियो अच्छा होता है, उतना देर पढ़ने में सही होता है. That's why I have just decided to divide a big topic or a topic into subtopic. So I have just divided this data type into the 3 parts. So in the first day we have just finished number. In the second day we will finish the string. We have finished the string, and in the third day till tuple we will finish. In the last day we will finish set and range. Okay, so thank you guys, thank for watching my video. One thing I am going to add in the last of my video, please, if you are new or if your friend want to learn networks or any programming language, so please guys, share, subscribe, and like my channel. If you will be share or subscribe my channel, I will start from the different technology. I will start with the another topic, like some people have tell me to start the AWS, guys. I will definitely start, but please, if you are new, if your friend want to learn, if the people are hunting for the job, so you can easily share my video with your friends, with your colleges. If anyone are in BTech, so you can also share. If anyone is doing BCA, MCA, MTech or BSc IT, you can share my videos. So please share more and more, and subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you guys, bye bye, cheers.